China is scrutinizing a deal struck by a Hong Kong company to sell ports at the Panama Canal to the United States financial firm. Beijing directed multiple agencies on Tuesday to examine the transaction, according to the Bloomberg News, and the deal that was earlier hailed by the President Donald Trump, who has accused China of seeking to control the strategic waterway. Hong Kong CK Hutchison also said earlier this month that it had agreed to sell most of its global port business worth $22.8 billion, including asset near the Panama Canal, to the group led by the US-based investment company BlackRock. A week after the announcement, China's Hong Kong and Macau Affairs Officer reposted commentaries calling the sale a betrayal of the China and that neglected the national interest. Also, the deal, which is yet to be sealed, is now being investigated for security risk and antitrust violation on orders of the senior Chinese leader, Bloomberg reported, citing unnamed sources. A spokesperson from the Ministry of Affairs have been of the Beijing saying that the reporters should ask other Chinese authorities about the reports. Also, I would like to stress that in principle, China has been firmly opposing infringing on or undermining other countries' legitimate rights and interests with economic coercion and bullying, the spokesperson added. Those words reflected earlier comments from the Hong Kong's leader, John Lee. The Hong Kong government urges foreign governments to provide a fair and just environment for the enterprises, Lee told reporters. We oppose the abusive use of coercion or bullying tactics in international economic and trade relations. Hutchison did not immediately respond to the reports of scrutiny by the Beijing. Also, the company has previously said that the deal is purely commercial in nature and wholly unrelated to recent political news reports concerning the Panama port. Also, the firm agreed to negotiate and the negotiations with the BlackRock consortium on an exclusive basis for the 145 days are, according to the statement, being run. Also, while the deal has not yet been finalized, it was not immediately clear what levers, if any, China could pull to block the deal. Given the business that the Hutchison is selling is based outside China and Hong Kong, and it is itself based in the Cayman Islands. Trump has previously called for the Panama Canal to be removed from the Chinese control. Numerous US politicians have criticized Hutchison business and operations at the Panama Canal as the